Hi, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to quickly go over how to check the oil on a 2007 Honda Shadow VLX. And this is the 600cc version. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Also check me out on Instagram at Clara Garage. You're also able to become a member and on the Clara Garage YouTube channel. Alright, let's get started. So I just did an oil change on this bike and did a video on that, and I figured I'd do a video just on recording how to check your engine oil level. So to check your engine oil, your engine should be warm, your bike should be on a flat level surface. So the bike's warm, it's on a flat level surface, we're good. And now we're going to pull out our oil dipstick. So we're on the right side of the bike. Watch out for your exhaust pipes because they're hot, and your engine's hot too. So we unscrew this, and then we take a rag and make sure that it's clean. So we wipe it off, and then we take this and we put it in so it's seated, but we don't screw it down. So we just leave it sitting like that. And now we're going to right the bike up very slowly and then put it back down. We don't want to do it too fast because the oil will slosh and could change the level on the dipstick and give you a false reading. So we're just going to gently bring the bike up to level. Wait a couple seconds. And then gently put it back down on the side stand. And now we're going to come back over and we're going to pull our dipstick out. And looking at the dipstick, we can see our engine oil level is right about there. And we want our engine oil level to be between this upper mark and this lower mark. If it's below the lower mark, you need to add oil. And if it's above the upper mark, if it's way above, you may need to drain oil out so you don't cause any damage. But in this case, we're about 3/4 full. That's pretty good. So we can put this back in and our engine oil level's okay. And to put it back in, you just put it in and screw it in. And then that's it. And that's the proper way to check your engine oil level. Alright, as per the manual for this motorcycle, this is the proper way to check our engine oil level. So when you check the engine oil level, it's important that the bike's flat and you bring it up to flat so it's not on the stand, or if you have a center stand, that's even better, as long as the bike's flat and it's perfectly vertical. And the biggest thing is you just rest your dipstick on the engine. You don't screw it in. If you screw it in, that's going to throw your level way off and you're potentially running with low oil. And also, if you have your bike running and your engine oil light is on your dash, shut it off because there's probably not enough oil and you're going to ruin your engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram at Clara Garage. Have a great night.